Hello guys, welcome to Bulk Mockup YouTube channel. In this video we will see how you can use Bulk Mockup to generate multiple Tote bag mockups automatically. To start the process, first you need to create 3 folders. In the first folder we keep our PSD mockup templates. In the second folder we keep our design files. And we keep third folder empty, to save the final mockup images. Next, open Bulk Mockup in Photoshop. To do that, we go to Windows, Extension. And then we select Bulk Mockup. After that, we'll select all the 3 folders using Bulk Mockup. First we select the PSD mockup folder. Next we select the export folder, where we'll save our final mockup images. And finally we select the design folder. Next, we will uncheck the resize option and we will click on Run Bulk Mockup. Bulk Mockup will open the first PSD mockup template in Photoshop, and it will start adding design on it. And it also going to save the final mockup images on the export folder. Bulk Mockup will repeat the process for all PSD mockup templates. And it will also organize all the mockup images into subfolders. We can navigate inside each folder in the export location to see the final mockup images. I hope you get the idea how Bulk Mockup works. It is a game-changing tool that will make your life so much easier. To learn more, visit BulkMockup.com. If you have any question, contact our support team. And thanks for watching our video. We really appreciate that.